Now this is my happy song. Machine. My karaoke machine is really mean. It doesn't give me the words when I need it to. I know that the song's wrong. That's why I get mad when the words say this is what you're supposed to say, but you're not really supposed to say it because it's not time for it yet. But the light still goes over the word and it's really not right. But it doesn't matter because it doesn't matter because this is my happy song. That's why it doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter. That's why it doesn't matter. Because this is my happy song. And that's why it doesn't matter. Matter, matter. Matter, matter. This means matter. Matter, 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 matter.
Mexican candy! Here we go. Here we go now. Here we go now. Here we go now. Here we go. It's almost as if I never knew you. It's almost as if you never cared. So I'm forced to make this emo song to let you know what's in my heart that's going wrong. But it's not my fault, you drove me to this. Don't know what to do with my life anymore. No, it's not my fault, you drove me to this. This is my YouTube emo song. My YouTube emo song. This is where it breaks down. This is my heart. Yeah. Nothing tears me apart. Okay, I'm done.